You close your eyes on day in vain, and mind ajar the night seeps in, the neon buzz balloons hypnotic, and sleep does not whelm over. Dark spots do dart about at random, and crescent blades dance wildly. The dervish whirls upon the ceiling, and sleep does not whelm over. 100 lines run round your brain, the road litany of saints, a full rosary of verse rehearsed. Still, sleep does not whelm over. That half a pill you took before appears to not have worked. This breathing world is slower now, yet sleep does not whelm over. At wit's end you rise and stumble out to your terrace and your lounge chair. Stretched out you count the constellations, but sleep does not whelm over. The shadows creep along the walls, mementos of past turnings. Many untaken roads retraced, but sleep does not whelm over. The words unsaid, the lives unlived, come rushing from all sides. A summer wind disturbs the night, and sleep does not whelm over. You feel a smirk crawl up your face. You hear the contradiction. The snoring of your wife in bed while sleep does not whelm over. Unlike the stickball games of yore, in life there's no do-overs. The hurtful lines you can't rewind. So sleep does not whelm over. The only ifs, like shooting stars, burn out before they're noticed. Deformed, unfinished, lame excuses why sleep does not whelm over. The village donkey braying loud recalls your jackass past, a hall of shame that haunts you still, while sleep does not whelm over. A wonder drug is what you need, but not a pharmaceutical. You board the sofa, TV surfing, yet sleep does not whelm over. The ache you feel cannot be real, yet it is yours and yours alone. The ghosts of suicides unfold because sleep does not whelm over. And through the flickering screen they come. Alan, John, Jeremy, slash wrist, a hanging, and a gun. That sleep does not whelm over. Long buried now, these three old friends, gone long before their prime. You're puzzled why you still survive, and sleep does not whelm over. The grayish light of morning new pools fast upon the floor. Harbinger bird calls break the day, and sleep does not whelm over. And sleep does not whelm over!
Jimmy's not just Jimmy's food.